Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So I recently invested in a set of chrome powder from Let's Resin. Can't remember which channel I saw it on first, but I really liked the look of it in the project that they did. So I got some. I've already taken off the little lids, and then I just kind of smudged them. Just, just to kind of see. But my housemate's daughter has requested a phone stand for her phone, obviously. So I'm going to make this for her for Christmas. So she's requested the teddy bear one. And then this is the base that it comes with, I think. I need to clean it before I dust it. And then it comes with like a little gemstone kind of mold, but we found that that gemstone is just far too small to hold up anything. So I pulled this itty bitty little pyramid mold, and I think that that might actually work better. And so she had requested chrome for the bear. So that's why I got this. This is going to be a mess. There's just powder everywhere. Yes, so she has requested the base be red. I let her look through these and decide which ones she wanted. And then she has requested that the bear be silver. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm also going to make this silver as well. Just to match the bear. But this does come with, what is it, 10 colors. So silver, red. This one is royal blue. Let's see, we've got purple. Green. This one is rose red, light blue, which is very pretty, gold, this one is blue, and then this one is holographic pink. So yes, I'm going to use silver and red today. Get used to this box because I think my next video is also using these. So there's that. Anyway, super simple. I'm going to pour the resin in. Because she had requested that this be metallic, I wonder if it wouldn't be better served to be poured in like a white or a clear versus a black. I'm curious. Curious. I don't know. I might actually ask you guys on YouTube before pouring my resin. So hopefully you guys get back to me before I actually pour it. I got my resin warming up right now. So yeah, I'm going to dust these, get them all cleaned up and ready to go. Get the resin poured in, and we will go from there. Okay? All right, let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Y'all, this thing has been sitting on my table for months and months and more months. Yeah, it's I think it's all just black, if I recall. I think I was just throwing in whatever resin I had left over. Oh yeah, full of bubbles. Not great. This, in fact, this was from back in the day before I knew that you could spray a mold to help decrease the amount of bubbles. But it is just, ooh, it is rough. That's a rough casting. It was also multiple layers of black. Yeah, it's terrible. This will most likely just go in the trash bin unless one of the girlies wants it. But, yeah, that's today's very disappointing bonus unmolding. All right, friends. They're cured. I did overfill this one just a little bit, so I do have some trimming to do because I poured a little bit off, but let's grab the base. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. And then we will demold this. I went with white. I did Google it after filming my intro, and I was like, crap, which color is better? And the Googles said white was better. So, alright, let's just trim this stuff off real quick. The tip of this pyramid is kind of painful. It's sharp. Woo! Which is good. It means I didn't get any bubbles. A little bit more. There we go. Okay, so that's gonna sit like there, I think. And then let's do the little bear. I'm so excited for the bear. Oh, by the way, it is silver. It's also kind of holographic too. I didn't realize that. Okay. Trying to remember the best way to demold. Get off the bear. Oh yeah. Okay. We just gotta deglove him basically. Oh yay. And there's nary a single bubble. Oh. Oh, it's perfection. It's so cute. Not a single bubble. I was so worried about that. So he is gonna sit there, and then your phone sits like that or like that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna grab E6000 to glue this down. I'm also gonna grab, where is my little pokey tool? Ah, right here. So I'm gonna rough up the bottom of the bear, and also the spot where the bear is gonna go on here. And then I'll use some alcohol on a paper towel. Let's see, where's that? Okay, so like right here. Apologies for the scratching if you don't like that. But this just gives the E6000 something to bite into, I guess. Okay. Yep. And then we will do the same to this. And I think the pyramid is going to be a better thing for this, because again, the teeny tiny little gem that came with it was so small. Like, it wasn't really, I made this for my housemate's daughter, and she was using it for her tablet, and it just was not holding it up. It was just so small. And so I just decided to upgrade this to the pyramid. Cute. Okay. Well, stay tuned for the glamour shots at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not exactly Christmas, but it's kind of Christmas. It's a Christmas gift, and it's red and silver. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Ooh, I'm throwing my scissors. Also, if you are new here, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.